Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're taking a look at the Oscillating Multifunction Power Tool from Harbor Freight. It's made by Chicago Electric Power Tools. I bought this, 3 blades, a bag. My total, this was 20, the blades were 9, the bag was 9. So you're looking around 40 bucks. Now you can buy this as a complete kit where it comes with blades. Unfortunately, the blades they had with it, I really didn't want. I have some PVC pipe to cut. Now this blade is good for wood and PVC. The other ones are good for caulk, tape, and paint, carpet, linoleum, and mortar. So yeah, basically all 3 blades are multi-purpose, and this is just a little bag to put everything in instead of using a box all the time. Comes with instructions, Allen wrench, put the blade on. Like I said, I got some PVC pipe that I need to cut. So we're gonna go ahead and use this blade. It's this is like a double layer packaging. It keeps the blades from sliding around when you take one out. I kind of like that. That's a good idea. Go ahead and get this bag open. Bolt, washer, blade, Allen wrench. Okay, I'm going to try to line up these little notches with the little pins on here. You're supposed to put your 2 washers on, then your bolt. Okay, as you've seen, once I got the blade thing figured out, it worked pretty good. At first thing I cut, I have no idea what it was, but it kind of smelled like glue or something, or maybe epoxy. But what I think the problem was with this is when I first got it, this was really beveled out. You can see there's like a little bit of a hump in it, like a camel's back. But once I got it tight enough, it actually did flatten down. Now they do make these, where this comes the whole way around like a complete circle, I have really mixed emotions about that, because as you've seen, when that wasn't in there right, it was loose. It kind of just popped out. I'm thinking if that's a complete circle and it's loose, it's going to spin around on you like that. So I don't like the idea of the solid ones. But overall, I'm not sure if it was the washer or if these little nubs here need to be a little bit longer. So I'm going to take off, not knowing exactly what it is. If I knew what it was, if I knew if it was this, I'd take off a full point for the washer, or half a point. So I'm just going to take a half a point off. It worked well. I was actually surprised how well that actually did work. So I'm going to give it a 4.5-star rating. I'll have a link down to it down below in the description box so you can check it out online. Like I said, it's from Harbor Freight. You're not going to get the highest quality, but for the price, for the $20 price point, it did the job. It'll cost me more to have somebody come out and cut the stuff that I want to cut. So yeah, $20, 4.5 stars. Do me a favor, click on the subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching.